Hey, out playing in the backyard here. We're gonna go see if I can land a couple river bass. Add to the freezer. See how it goes. River's down pretty low, but you can't see them. But right there's two bass swimming in there. See if we can catch them and see how big they are. All right, I'm gonna rethink a couple things here. They're not hitting artificials. Get the old trusty night crawler bucket out. A little out of breath because I run home. Whew, smoking, but I got my real ugly stick. I'm gonna try to land one. There's a couple biggies in there. Oh, buddy. That's a nice little bluegill here. All right, update on that big guy there. He was 17 inches. Nice one, nice one. I don't really weigh him, but 17 inches. It's good to eat. Makes a good meal. Let's see what else we can get here. I got my basket because apparently they're biting. I always stand by my favorite thing here. Just a night crawler harness. No blades, no shinies, just 3 hooks and a worm. Catches everything. Works well. Y'all ready for the catch of the day? Oh shit. Boy, he's feisty. Look at that little guy. But you know what? Turtle bait. Where all the big ones go? It's like 3 in a row that size. Just little. Just landed another hog out of the river. Look at that big guy. We're gonna measure him in a minute there. Well, we're gonna end the river fishing on that note there. 2 big boys. An okay little decent one. A few bluegill. It'll add to the freezer. Something to eat. River behind the house. Eel River is what it is. Good fishing.